I'll quickly going through some of the factors to watch, and I'm depending on and leaning a bit on Mahesh Nandurkar's note on the India strategy from Jefferies. He says the bottom-up market is what he's seeing. Weak FPI positioning and large India underperformance has been seen. This implies that any potential good news on India-US trade can cause a sharp market upswing. Those of you who will remember our commentary on the 18th of September, after the GST was first announced, 18th of August, sorry, after the GST was first announced, we were very clear in saying that be prepared for a double delight where the GST cuts come in and then the tariff pressure eases. So Mahesh Nandurkar saying beyond that, returns might be muted given the potentially large equity supply and high PE to weak earnings. Strong domestic buying should prevent downside though. A sideways market would be great for bottom-up ideas. He's changed his model portfolio, and I think this was important. I'll go through it very quickly. In terms of addition and weight increase, there's Bajaj Finance, Radico Khaitan and GMR Airports. Look very clear discretionary consumer pushes. In terms of deletions and weight decreases, there's Bandhan Bank, ITC and Infosys. They've moved IT to underweight by trimming the weight of Infosys as AI adoptions weakens and the growth outlook and recent up move captures gains. Overweight on lenders is maintained with Bajaj Finance replacing Bandhan. Bajaj Finance could capture any post-GST cut consumption upside. We added Radico Khaitan, which is fast-growing spirits franchise. GST uncertainty on ITC makes us remove the same, add some weight on GMR as it's evolving into a diversified consumer platform from being a utility airport operator. So that's the note. In terms of the setup, Indian markets perhaps poised for a continued upward trend this week. Nifty possibly testing 25,400 to 25,500 levels. Nifty has shown significant strength, closing at a 2-month high and completing its longest rally in a year. Analysts are advising a buy on declines approach as some profit taking is likely after such a strong rally. Immediate support at 25,050 to 25,000 with a stronger base around 24,900 levels. On the upside, a decisive move past 25,150, 25,250 could trigger a rally towards 25,400 to 25,500. Bank Nifty outlook is more stable compared to the Nifty. Index faces a key resistance at 55,100, 55,200, supports at 54,600, 54,500. It's a buy on dip strategy that you should look at as long as the index holds above 54,300. Decisive break above 56,000 would clear the path for a rally to 59,000 over the medium term. So